Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I thought I would stop in to show you guys my skincare routine. I am pretty late to the skincare game, and for the most part I didn't start until after my 30s, you guys. I know. I was well into my 30s when I saw the need to start taking better care of my skin. I was that girl who used to use just about anything to wash my face. If I caught an Irish Spring, any bar soap around, I would use it, and I pretty much would not moisturize, I wouldn't tone, I wouldn't use serums, none of that stuff. If I was lotioning my skin, I would probably use the same lotion on my face. Yes, gross, but that was me. Just my moment of truth. So, I pretty much recently started to get serious about my skin. I am over 4 decades old, you guys. Just as a disclaimer, let me let you know that I'm over 4 decades old. And I figured, it's never too late for a shower of rain. Better late than never. And so I've taken it upon myself to start to explore. And these products, this routine that I'm now utilizing is not set in stone. I'm still pretty much exploring. I'm at the exploration stage. So these are pretty much good products though that are working for me, but I'm not opposed to trying other stuff, and I definitely will try other stuff to see what my skin really likes. And so without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, my skincare regimen. Enjoy. All right, guys, so I am pretty much ready, and the first thing I will do, especially if I'm wearing long braids, is to try to get the hair out of the way, because it can become very cumbersome trying to keep the hair off your face, and the hair has soap in it and all of that. We can't have that. And in this case, when I'm wearing these big earrings, it's best to get them out of the way too. And guys, as you can see, I'm overly made up right now. This is not the typical everyday look for me, but yeah, I'm using my Neutrogena makeup wipes because I had my face beat, yes, by my girl Jope Elite MUA. And yes, I'm removing that with my trusty Neutrogena makeup wipes, and it does a pretty decent job in terms of getting off most of the makeup prior to me moving on to cleansing. So that's what I'm doing right now. Ew. Alright, so now I am using for my cleanser the Urban Skin RX Combination Skin Cleansing Bar, and this is what it looks like. It's pretty much a bar in a jar, you guys, and it comes with this sponge, and I actually just use the sponge to lather the bar, and then you pretty much rub the skin with the sponge. And you can go back in and get additional product if it's not lathering enough for you. And I pretty much always apply it in a circular motion and try to make sure you get as much of the dirt, or in my case the makeup, off of your face. Alright, so now I'm just rinsing, and to rinse I actually use room temperature water or lukewarm water to do that initial rinsing. Alright, and now I am actually using a scrub, and I'm using from the same line, the Urban Skin RX. I'm using their Purifying 2-in-1 Pumpkin Pore Detox Mask and Scrub. I'm not using it as a mask tonight. I'm just using it for its scrubability. That's not a word, but yeah. Alright, so yeah, in the same way, I am using it, applying it in a circular motion. And this product, you guys, I'm not sure which of the ingredients causes it to do this, but upon immediate contact with the skin, it is actually warm to the touch, like warm as if it was placed in a microwave warm. Alright, so now I am using my spin brush just to go in for a deeper clean. You know, the spin brush actually will remove, you know, any stubborn makeup or dirt that might be, you know, deep within the pore, and it also helps to exfoliate the dead skin. So I always do that, especially when I'm using or wearing rather makeup. And this particular one is from Amazon. I purchased it on Amazon, and it's Essential Skin Spa, that's the name of it. And it was pretty inexpensive. I think I paid maybe $20 or thereabout for this one. Alright, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse this off as well. And the next step is to tone the skin, and to tone I use Dickinson's original Hazel, which is a pore perfecting toner, and I just use it on a cotton pad and just try to get in and wipe in an upward motion. And of course, this product is very effective in, you know, balancing the skin tone, and it is actually a anti-aging product also. You see the makeup? More makeup is still remaining. So every little product helps to tackle the issue of removing dirt and buildup and makeup. Alright, so once that is done, I am now moving on to applying my serum, and this is by number 7. It's their Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Serum, and this serum is actually nice and thick and silky to the touch. Yes, I love it. And you don't want to miss this step, you guys. This step in your skincare regimen is quite important, because this is a anti-aging and an anti-wrinkle product, so you want to include that in your regimen. There's one thing that I do not currently use that I am going to be adding to my routine almost immediately, and it's an eye cream, because I think it's important to use an eye cream just to make sure that that area immediately around the eyes, that they do not get too much wrinkles. Alright, so my final product is from the same line, number 7, and it's their Lift and Illuminate Night Cream. Very thick product, you guys. I love this product so much because it makes the face immediately soft. Upon application, your face feels silky. So as usual, I am applying it in an upward direction because you want to work against gravity, you know what I'm saying, to ensure that you train the skin in that natural upward direction so that the skin is lifted and it doesn't sag. Same thing for the forehead. Yeah. And of course, you guys, you cannot neglect your neck. You guys can try to trick the crowd by, paying attention to your face and it's, looking like you're way younger than you are, but the neck will tell the true tale, and your fingers too. So make sure you don't neglect those areas. So yeah, this is how my skin is looking. It's not too shabby. I like the glow. These products are working for me, and I'm open for suggestions as to other effective products, so just let me know. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, deuces.